Alright, so with the door panel removed from the vehicle and we've got it flipped upside down, we can now access this to be able to remove the whole window unit. And it's kind of interesting because you've got to remove quite a few screws to be able to pop this up. So we've got a screw here, a screw here, and screws over here. And just kind of go around and remove quite a few screws to give enough leeway to pop this thing out. You can remove this one. This one's maybe not as necessary, but any extra space you can get for this to pop out. And then we've got a screw down in here. Another couple down here. There we go. And with that many screws, we'll be able to pop this out. So you're just going to kind of push it down and then push it up. You have to do some adjustment from the other side. And that way it slides up and out, and this is the whole window switch unit removed. And if you're buying just this piece, or if it comes in the whole piece, you got to remove 2 screws right here and 1 screw right here. And with those 3 gold colored screws or bronze colors, then you'll just need to pop this. You pop this one tab here on the back, pop that tab and that tab, and that way you get the whole switch unit removed. So then when you buy another one, go in reverse order and just snap it to lock it into place, then put the 2 bronze or gold colored screws back here, 1 screw up here. So we've got that all put back together as one full unit. And so now we'll go ahead and put it in and show you how it looks this is how it looks from the front. So this is the empty hole in the front. And so then you're just going to take this and you're going to slide it down in there. You want to keep that in the channel in the back. It's a lot of just jiggle in. Then once we got it into place, we just press everything back in. All nice and snap together. Pieces there. And now we've got where all the screws go. It's all lined back up. Everything is back in the place where it needs to be. And so we'll just put all those screws in. Alright, so everything's put back into place, everything's tightened back up. Now we're ready to put the door back on the car itself, because we were able to replace this if necessary. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.